Hello, so this is a viral Bionic reading app which is called Reader 5. So I purchased it on the App Store and I will show you out how to use it, what are the main features, and of course how to enable Bionic reading on this app. So let's just search for it. So here is the app. This is how it looks like. Reader 5 by Silvio Rizzi. I think he's a Swiss developer, and this app got few awards and it has really amazing design. You can see the feeds. You can on the red feeds you can see how the articles look like here. So the idea for that is that you use this app as RSS reader or like app to read newsletters or to read blogs. RSS feeds are a bit like old school technology, but sometimes it's just a nice way to read blogs or newsletters. So keep control of your news reading with Reader, RSS Reader. You can create feeds. You can set up read later. There is a Bionic reading, which is a higher dimension of reading. With Bionic reading, you read text with more focus, awareness, and sustainability. And then you can read more about it on bionicreading.com. Bionic reading technology is developed by a Swiss startup, and it has also Bionic reading converter and open API, so anyone can try it out. And yeah, so that's a growing technology. You can also add widgets of this app and then just like standard features of like RSS reader app. So here's the app. You can create your account with iCloud, or you can add other accounts from other apps. So then so basically these are the apps from which you can add account, like Feedbean, Feedly, FeedIQ, NewsBlur, InnoReader, Fresh RSS, Read Later, Feeds, and all of that. That's where you can create all of these accounts. And then you have settings in top left. So basically here it is important to enable Bionic reading. So you need to, in the bottom, you need to enable this show in toolbar. And then you can see preview and configuration. So you can play with it a bit so you can see, adjust how you want it. And yeah, so let's just go a bit more in detail what exactly Bionic reading is for people who don't know like what this technology is really about. You can access it on the website bionicreading.com. And this is about this. Like, did you know that your brain reads faster than your eye? We humans store learned words, and so just a few letters are enough to recognize whole words. So this is an example of Bionic reading formatted text. It's a new method facilitating the reading process by guiding the eyes through text with artificial fixation points. As a result, the reader is only focusing on the highlighted initial letters and lets the brain center complete the word. In a digital world dominated by shallow forms of reading, Bionic reading aims to encourage a more in-depth reading and understanding of written content. There is also Bionic reading API. There is Bionic reading converter where you can upload some documents, and you can upload TXT, RTF, EPUB, Microsoft Word documents, and then just convert them to Bionic reading. Bionic reading extension is coming soon, and there are finally these apps which are supporting the Bionic reading. So there's Reader 5, which is the top app in this category. There is Fairy Feeds app, and there is Lyre. So Reader 5 app, which I'm doing an overview here, it's a paid app. It's cost $4.99 US, one-time payment, and that's it. You don't need to get a monthly subscription or anything like that. So that's what you have it. Then there is Fairy Feeds app, which is free, and then there is Lyre app, which is also paid one. So anyways, here is the app. Let's just go through it. So here's the Bionic reading settings in the app. And then when you open the feed, you can subscribe to any website. So in top part, you can just tap here and then go to like feed or site URL and then just subscribe there. And basically here it is. So I just go to my blog. I want to read this article and this is how it looks like. So it takes any article and transfers it to Bionic Reading. By the way, to enable that feature, just tap in the bottom right BR. That's how you transform this blog article to Bionic Reading. So I just tap there and there you have it. Now you can read it. You can ask like why would you actually use it? Like it's so, for some people it's a bit disturbing and it's really confusing why you need to use that. But yeah, in case you like reading a lot and you want to focus and you want to speed up your reading process, that's what you can do. And like you really try to read like some big chunks of text just for fun and you will see that you read much faster. And yeah, that's like really can speed up your focus. And yeah, that's really amazing actually. I don't know if it's just a feeling from small amounts of text or you can get annoyed with it because still it's like some experimental approach. And here you can see that actually it's not that perfect, the technology, because sometimes it just highlights, for example, the word not sure, it just highlights and like I don't know, like okay, I don't know how my brain works, like either like can my brain really recognize the word not just from an or like like maybe my brain can recognize Google from just a GOO because that's what other word is there. But I still don't understand and can't grasp all the aspects of this technology, but it is what it is. So there you have it. And then this app, apart from this cool feature, it has a lot of really interesting features. I think it's one of the best like RSS reading app. And so there you have it. You can adjust theme, increase contrast, use system font, title size, and yeah, all of these details. You can bookmark, you can set it as read or unread. Yep. Then there are settings, and then there are general settings, then there are appearance settings, landscape layouts, app icons, image previews. So that's what you can do, reading, animations. Gestures. And then there is support and all of that. So here is feeds like my account, and then in case you have some issues or like you can always delete your account from the app. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's how the app works. Interesting app. Like imagine subscribing to some long form blogs or like articles and reading through this app using Bionic Reading. It can really change your experience. So try it out. I don't know yet so much about Bionic Reading. Is it completely legit or is just some kind of like not realistic technology? But very interesting to check it out. Bionic Reading is not yet available on Kindle app or Kindle, so there are only these 3 apps where it's available. Or you can just upload like EPUB. You can upload like EPUB files to Bionic Reading Converter and then just convert large amounts of text or books to this and try to read the book using this. So interesting technology. Yep, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, visit my TikTok, visit my blog, and see you in the next videos.